Hey, Joel here with Inflatable and Event Office. We had a number of people ask about exit intent pop-ups, and so I wanted to show you how to make one. And so those are those pop-ups that show up right before you exit a site to say, hey, wait a second, before you go, are you interested in XYZ? So for example, I'm on the site, I decide I'm gonna leave, go up to hit the X and you get a pop-up that says, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make these on Elementor. So go over to templates, pop-ups. Let me get rid of the one I made. So you can make a new one here. We'll call this on exit, create templates. So you can make your own using that page builder. There's a bunch of templates in here. So let's just pick this one here. And you hit insert. Okay, so here's where you can just customize whatever you want. If you want to say sign up and get a 5% off coupon for your next rental. And so this will at least allow you to collect their info. You can add extra form elements here if we wanted to do like phone. So anytime they fill out any of these forms here, the advanced ID must match if you want it to go into Inflatable Office as a quote and show up there. So we have, so email is just email. Phone, it has to actually be the word cell phone. If you have a notes box, it needs to be the word notes. For a name, it needs to be first and last name, all one word. And those will all go into IO as a new lead automatically without doing anything. You can also get an email. If you set an action to email, put your email in here. Anyway, so yeah, you can customize this as you want. So the last step is when you hit publish here, it'll ask you for some conditions. So we want to put it on the entire site, but we don't want to put it on our contract page and quote pages. So here's how you do that. So we'll say quote. So after they submit the quote, we don't want them to have it, and we don't want it on the contract either. So I'm going to exclude those pages. Contract and quote details. So the other option is you could just say only do it on the home page or only do it on certain categories or something like that. So we'll hit next, and then we'll say on exit intent. So that's it. So you can then test it by going to your site, and then when you go up to hit the X, it should pop up. Right. So I didn't do a very good job here, but yeah, if you need any help with it, let me know. Otherwise, that should be it. Thanks.